guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Lovely Riv. Today I'm going to be doing a cute little cloud makeup look type thing. Before we get started with this video, I just wanted to say that I am like not a makeup artist, like not at all. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to prime my face with this primer here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do this like cream white makeup. I'm just going to put it on my eyelids and under my eyelids. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this white face makeup and I'm just going to kind of like coat my face in white and kind of just give myself a little bit of a white base. So here's my face right now. It looks very oily. I actually don't have any face powder, so I'm just going to use like a light color from an eyeshadow palette. Guys, so just like a little explanation. I did this like whole eye look and then I ended up like not liking it and it ended up turning out really bad. I ended up wiping it all off and just redoing it. I'm literally so sorry. This video is like a total mess. I'm editing right now and it's just, it's all over the place. It's a boring, long video and I ended up deleting just most of it, and I'm just going to show you the finished product now. I added eyeliner, blush, the clouds, mascara, lipstick, lip gloss, my eyebrows. Yeah, sorry that I deleted most of the video, but it was like long boring footage. And guys, here's the finished product of it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't mind the little bee on my hand. And yeah, let me know if you guys try this in my discussion. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!